तो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द स्टूडियो। स्वागत है आप सभी का। बड़ी ही इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है यहाँ पे। उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू शेयर दिस अपडेट एंड फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग, पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड अपकमिंग अपडेट्स के लिए, बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हेयर। सो सबसे पहले तो इम्पॉर्टेंट है एक्सक्रेशिया अमाउंट के ऊपर DR on preview of the annual review। सो देखते हैं स्टार्टिंग से क्या पूरा एग्जैक्ट अपडेट है। डिसऑनर ऑफ द सेटलमेंट्स, द 12th bipartite settlement। सो इट्स एन ओपन लेटर टू द 9 unions, to the general secretaries AIBOC, AIBEA, NCPE, AIBOC। सो इन सभी को है regarding the dishonor of the settlement। So the 12th bipartite settlement signed under ID Act with Indian Bank Association by your good selves covering workmen, and 9th joint note covering officer dated 8th March 2024 and visaged for payment of the ex gratia to all the pensioners on roll on 31st October 2022 fixed on given matrices। So it is effective from 1st November 2022। So friends, जो ex gratia amount है does not attract any dearness relief, therefore a provision of annual review is made in settlement starting from April 2024। So the management of banks and or IBA has not reviewed the ex gratia amount in April 2024 and you all have to remained silent. Even your rhetorics of 2 days strike this issue of clear breach of settlement under ID Act you could not resolve in conciliation proceedings held on 21st March 2025 before CLC New Delhi, and strike was called off finally। So strike वहाँ पे called off होगी friends। So bank management and IBA under lettered contempt of settlement could be a matter of serious concern for banking trade unions, but their silence signifies their helpless situation। The unions that were once trend setters now becomes an so where their other settlements are in danger and they look helpless. Unions are seen as ruined and helpless institutions in the eyes of bankmen who are making a record to call and withdraw this strike again and again। तो यहाँ पर तो ये दिक्कत दोस्तों देखने को मिली ही है। So we do not take it as an animosity toward your erstwhile architecture of unions। So we take a situation where you fail to keep your own settlement completely safe and effectively. Naturally, it displays all of your settings in the lap of IBA management, which prove that you are cheating your existing and former members। If not, please tell bankman as to why ex gratia amount was not reviewed in April 2024 and why did you all remain silent on it। Why so even today। So even today भी यहाँ पे जो ex gratia रिव्यू तो दोस्तों काफ़ी देर से पेंडिंग है और वो होना भी चाहिए। सो मिस्टर JN शुक्ला सर की तरफ से मैसेज है नेशनल कन्वीनर 2 अप्रैल 2025 की। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट है। सो हो सकता है ex gratia रिव्यू this month can be big for the many of the bank pensioners। So that's all for the session। So please make sure to share this updates and subscribe to the channel friends।